Hello, everyone. Just wanted to highlight a few things for Monday. Many of you have heard that Dr. Riek Machar will be going to court on Monday, right around 9 a.m. At the moment, we do not know whether he'll be there physically or his legal team will be there to represent him, and he'll have a way of watching or hearing what's happening. So at the moment, we do not know yet. But the thing that we need to look at is that in South Sudan, anything can happen. At the moment, Dr. Riek Machar is one of the most wanted individuals by so many. Even as the moment right now, there are people that hate that he's still alive. They want Kid, they keep pressing Kid to get rid of Dr. Riek Machar. But we all know that Kid is in pressure. He's unable to just go ahead and do anything to Dr. Riek. So right now, what is recommended for many of you that are in Juba is that if you have little kids that are in preschool, all the way up to high school, it would be better you do not allow them to go to school on Monday because we don't know what could happen. If you're a college student, you should not go to class. If you have a shop or if you're working, you should not go to work because if anything happens like 2013, 2016, you could be in a crossfire. And we know that often this it's horrific and it's tragedy that innocent bystanders do get hurt to the point they get unalive. So those are the things that we need to look at for Monday. Two things is that if Dr. Riek is found guilty, there is going to be there are going to be people that support him that's going to be upset. So we don't know what could happen. And already the chief of staff, Dower Turnjo, he already gave an order to all the SSPDF, National Security, all the police to check all the checkpoint, close down all the checkpoints on Monday. So we don't know what could happen. Let's say Dr. Machar does win his case. There are those from the government side that's going to be upset and they're going to want to start something. So these things could happen. We don't know what could go on when all of this happens on Monday. And secondly, Dr. Riek has a lot of enemies within Juba. We have Kwalmanyang, Michael McQuailweth. We have Daniel Awudakot. These three individuals hate Dr. Riek Machar, and they don't even want to waste time with him on going through the legal procedures. Also, we have Tabandengai. We have Ezekiel Logarkwa. These individuals have already prepared to do anything to Dr. Riek should he be able to win his case. And also, there are other individuals that are rivals to Dr. Riek. And that's why it's recommended that many of you do not go on the street, do not attend classes, do not go to work, close down all shops. And this is what I recommended. The court itself is kangaroo, which means it's not a competent court because Bullmail's wife is the prosecutor, and then the chief justice is related to Bullmail. So at the moment, it's not recognizable as a competent court. We do not have a strong judicial system in South Sudan. So these are the things that we're going to have to look at. Please be safe. I know those of you that have lived in Juba really do understand how things goes. And I have the most respect for all of you that live in Juba through all this trauma, all of this fighting that's been happening. It's not easy. We have children that's growing up in these environment, horrific journey for them. So please be safe and let's try to unite our country. There are people that hate the idea for South Sudan to be united. For whatever reason, they hate that idea. They hate the idea for all 60 tribes to love one another. They hate the idea of unified government that's very inclusive. These individuals are the one looting the country, and they're the one committing all these crimes, and we need to point them out and expose them, and eventually we will win our country back. All right, so let's be safe and see you guys next time.